Hi guys, in this video I'll be guiding you on how to identify a fake and an original LG TV. So if you're planning to go to the markets to get an LG TV for yourself, then you want to make sure you watch this video to the end so that you avoid yourself of any retail scam and make sure you're actually getting something directly from LG. Now, as someone that has worked with smart TVs for over a year now, you're pretty sure that some of the things I'll be mentioning in this video will definitely help you make sure you're getting something directly from LG and not one of those fake or refurbished LG TVs that are everywhere on the market these days. Without wasting much of your time, one of the easiest ways to identify an original LG TV and differentiate it from any type of TV is basically the operating system. Now, LG TV worldwide actually runs on one specific operating system, and that is the WebOS operating system. So basically, if you see any LG TV that is running on an Android operating system or a Google operating system, then trust me, you might actually be getting a fake LG TV. Now, the reason is because up until now, LG TVs actually run on their own operating system, which is the WebOS operating system. And as soon as you turn on the TV, you're going to find the WebOS operating system logo on the TV. And basically, the WebOS operating system is also what you're going to get on the home page of the TV. So if you get any TV that does not actually look like the LG WebOS operating system, or it runs on a different operating system than the one showing on your screen currently, then trust me, that particular TV is fake and you should make sure you do not get that TV. Now, another way to actually verify an original from a fake LG TV is basically on the model number. Now, you see, most of these TVs have a specific model number, and these model numbers are also written on the about page of the TV. So if you get an LG TV that the model number is different from what you get from the about page of your LG TV, then most likely you're getting a fake TV. So always cross-check if the model number on the body or carton of your LG TV corresponds with the model number on the about page of the TV. Now, keep in mind that you can't always rely on the design or the carton of the TV to determine an original or a fake LG TV, because most of the time, these manufacturers actually go up to the point of replicating the exact design and packaging of the original LG TV. So you don't want to rely on just the packaging or the design of the TV. Another important way to identify a fake LG TV and an original LG TV is basically on the dimensions of the TV. Now, majority of the time, these fake LG TVs don't actually give you the exact size of TV that you buy. So making sure that you check the size of your LG TV before actually taking it is very important. If you're going for a 65-inch LG TV, then make sure that it actually corresponds with the size that is written on the carton of the TV. Now, this is actually one of the major scams that these fake manufacturers do, because they are trying to cut costs and also make sure that they make the maximum profits, thereby giving you a lower TV size than actually what you are trying to purchase. Now, in addition to all of this, one of the easiest ways to make sure that you're actually getting an original LG TV and not a fake or refurbished LG TV is to always confirm that you're getting from an LG certified retailer before actually buying from anybody. Now, LG as a company actually have certified retailers all over the world. In Africa, they use a company called Fuani, and that is the only company that is certified to sell LG TVs and other LG products in the country. So in your country, it might actually be different, but you want to make sure that you're buying an LG TV from the original and recognize LG retailer for that particular product. Finally, one other important point I want to make is to make sure that you're actually getting a recognized size of TV from LG. Now, sometimes these manufacturers actually play the trick of trying to give you a TV size that is not actually produced by LG. So you're going to get something like a 42 or a 41-inch TV, whereas LG as a company does not produce 41 or 42-inch TVs. So you always want to make sure that you're buying a size of TV that is actually recognized by LG. And if you're getting an odd number or odd size of TV that you know that LG as a company does not produce, then it means that that particular TV might just be fake. Now, these are actually the easiest way to identify a fake and an original LG TV if you're going to the market to get an LG TV for yourself. And I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.